Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the morning edition of the Weather Briefing video. This is for Thursday, the 14th of July, right here in the dead of summer. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather will feature a few storms around today, and understand it's that time of the year. Every day it's going to be hot, it's going to be humid, and it's going to rain somewhere. We know that. In fact, we got some heavy rain falling in parts of East Alabama early this morning. But let's start the discussion, as we typically do, with the upper air look across the country early this morning. The core of the really nasty heat is off to the west, parts of the Four Corners region, the southwest United States. A big ridge there, this downstream trough over the eastern states. We have a light north to northwest flow aloft here, and that was the radar composite early this morning. And again, I'm doing this update live about 5:15. Got a few scattered showers across parts of Mobile and Baldwin counties in the Florida Panhandle, and some really heavy rain falling over parts of East Alabama. This is the radar loop there from the Maxwell Air Force Base radar, showing a lot of rain. In fact, parts of Russell County under a flash flood warning early this morning, and that heavy rain is back building back to the west over toward Montgomery. New showers and storms forming around Prattville, Millbrook, Montgomery, but the rain is really coming down at Auburn, Tuskegee, down into parts of Bullitt County around Union Springs. The better chance of rain today will be over about the southern half of the state. The northern counties could see a shower, but the air will be drier over North Alabama today. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the 70s across the state. We're expecting highs not too far from 90 today. We also should note there is a dense fog advisory for parts of northwest Alabama, the counties up there in gray. That fog will likely dissipate by mid-morning around the nation. Pretty quiet this morning. Got a few heat advisories from Texas up through parts of the Great Plains states. Here's the severe weather possibilities for today and tonight. We've got risks well to the north and one across parts of the southeast U.S., including parts of southeast Alabama. That's a level 1 out of level 5 marginal risk. The areas in darker green, that would be basically south of a line from near Montgomery to Lafayette, and east of a line from near Selma to about Andalusia. And some of the storms down in southeast Alabama could produce some strong winds today. Had a few of those yesterday. Had some wind damage in places like Brent. This is tomorrow. Marginal risks well to the north. I think pretty decent chunk of Alabama dry. And then this is day 3, which is Saturday. Again, there might be a storm in spots around here, but organized severe weather not expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. In Alabama, the amounts range from about 1/2 inch over the northern counties to 1 inch for the south. And again, every day we'll have the scattered random storms around. Rain distribution very uneven this time of the year. Tropical Atlantic Basin awfully quiet. That little trough that was near the Gulf Coast has dissipated. That's the 2-day outlook, and you can see it's just quiet as a mouse. Tropical storm formation not expected for the next 2 days and for the next 5 days. But remember, the peak of the season is yet to come. That is coming up in August and September. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run. Valid today at 4. And again, got the upper high off to the west, troughing a little north of here. And again, we'll see scattered showers and storms around. The better chance of those over the southern half of the state. But even in North Alabama, the chance is not zero. The chance of rain basically in summer is never zero here. But storms over North Alabama should be pretty widely spaced, highs close to 90. Same thing tomorrow. The northern half of the state, relatively dry, a few scattered showers and storms for the south. Saturday, as the weekend begins, looks pretty quiet. Most locations dry with only spotty, isolated showers. And the same thing on Sunday. Highs for the weekend, probably low 90s in most spots, which is right at seasonal averages. Next week, this is Monday. Moisture may be a tad deeper. Partly sunny with a few scattered afternoon storms. This is Tuesday. Looks pretty dry there. Wednesday, again, looking relatively dry. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 14th. Heights about where they should be. And again, same old story. Partly sunny with a few pop-up storms around. Let's go out 10 days. And again, really the upper air looks tell the better story this time of the year. And heights are coming up. In fact, that's a 597 upper high center just north of here. That's means rising heat levels if this is the case. And again, the better chance of scattered storms over the southern counties. But we've seen different looks out here. This is 10 days out, and this will change. Here's the rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. Numbers are coming down. The mean has dropped down to about 1.5 to 2 inches for the rest of July. Heat levels coming off the NBM, National Blend of Models. Most days low to mid-90s through the 24th of July. And this is the latest 8 to 14-day outlook. This is for July 21st through July 27th. Again, the core of the heat a little west of here, but temperatures could be a smidgen above average if this verifies. Mentioned some of the wind damage across the state yesterday. Maybe it didn't rain where you are, but understand some people had some big storms. This was some of the damage in Brent, and this apparently was caused by most likely a wet microburst. We talk about those. Those happen in summer, little localized areas of damaging straight-line winds. But after the storms, the sunset, woo, boy, was good last night. That was Lake Gunnersville. And you know the deal. If you send me a picture of a cow with a good sunset, there's a good chance that'll make it somewhere. TV, a repost, the weather briefing video, something. But the sunset was so good across the state last night. And our friends on the Gulf Coast had a great sunset. You know, they've had weather a little unsettled this week because of that little trough there, but that thing is dissipating and everything looking awfully nice on the central Gulf Coast last night. And did you see the super moon? Boy, coming out of the station last night, it looked great. These shots were taken over the Gulf Coast. It's always kind of cool to see the big moon shimmering off the water down there. But hopefully it was clear. Had a chance to see that last night. So that's it for this morning. Thanks so much for watching. If you're new to this, again, we made some YouTube channel changes. Weather Brains used to be on this YouTube channel. For those watching on the YouTube side, Weather Brains has its own channel now, and this is back to the James Spann channel. So the content here, for me, I do the briefings twice a day. Do them once in the morning about 5:30, once in the afternoon about somewhere between 2 and 3 o'clock. We have notes over on our blog, AlabamaWX.com. We pour our heart and soul out over there. And if you can, we always invite you to join us on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10. I got a book signing Saturday in Gordo. Main Street Nutrition there between 9 and noon. We have a ton of fun at those things. So if you're in Pickens County or Tuscaloosa County, come over and see us. Or Lamar County, anywhere close. So Gordo, Saturday morning, 9 to noon for a book signing. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Cracks in brick? Cracks in block? Call Alabama Professional Services. Leaning or bowing basement walls? Call APS. Sticking windows or doors? Call APS. Settling or sinking foundation? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Foundation problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.